Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Example sentences. Correct use of whom. With whom am I speaking? I am speaking with him, her. To whom this may concern. This concerns him, her. A number of friends went to the cinema, one of whom was the birthday boy. Actually, she knew very little about the man with whom she had promised to spend the summer.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Who is generally used for the subject, while whom is generally the object in the sentence. There is one simple way to avoid such confusion. If the question is considered a statement, we have to check whether the subject can be replaced by pronouns like he, she, etc., or him, her, etc.
Let's help you make your mark.
The object is the person, place, or thing that something is being done to. Examples of whom in a sentence. He saw the faces of those whom he loved at his birthday celebration. She saw a lady whom she presumed worked at the store, and she asked her a question.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.